Okay, so now we're going to attempt a log question. So first thing I'm going to do in order to rearrange these is I'm going to take the log from this side of the equation to that side. If it's a log of base 2 here, it will become 2 to the power of whatever's on the other side, so 2 to the power of 5. That's going to leave me with 5x plus 7 is equal to, now 2 to the power of 5 you can do on your fingers. 2 times 2 is 4, times 2 is 8, times 2 is 16, times 2 is 32. Next step, take the 7 to the other side by subtracting 7. That will leave you with 25 is equal to 5x. Now we can take the 5 across by dividing the other side by 5, and I'm left with x is equal to 5. Okay, this question down here is going to have a couple more steps, but it's really no more difficult. Okay, so first thing I'm going to do, these two have the same base and they have brackets there, so we're going to multiply the brackets together. So it will become log 10 bracket x plus 3 bracket x minus 3 is equal to log 10 9x minus 29. So next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to move this log to the other side. When it comes across, it will become 10 to the power of this. And when that matches that, it cancels out to 1. So this section here is just 1. And I'm left with x plus 3 on this side, bracket x minus 3, is equal to 9x minus 29. Next thing I'm going to do is expand these brackets. So x squared, here, because it's plus minus, our middle term will cancel out to be 0, so it would be minus 3 plus 3, so that's 0. Minus 9 is equal to 9x minus 29. Move all of these terms to the other side so that because it's a quadratic, I can solve it. Okay, so now I'm looking for two numbers that add to give me negative 9 and multiply to give me 20. So that's going to be negative 4 and negative 5. So I'm going to chuck them back in the brackets now and apply null factor rule to each side of the bracket to get what x equals in both cases. So x is equal to 5 and x is equal to 4. Now the next thing I'm going to do is just a quick visual check to make sure that this is a possible solution, because we can't have negatives inside of these brackets. So I'm going to chuck in 4 here. I'd still get a positive, I'd still get a positive, I'd still get a positive. If I put in 5, I still get a positive, positive, positive. So both of these are solutions.